In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a negative keyword list for Google Ads. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the interface and how to add negative keywords so your ads avoid irrelevant searches, save budget, and improve overall performance. Negative keywords tell Google Ads which searches you do not want to trigger your ads. This helps cut wasted spend, reduce unqualified clicks, and tighten your targeting so the people who see your ads are more likely to be the right fit. Think of this as a safety net that keeps your campaigns focused. Start by looking at the left pane in your Google Ads account. Click on Tools, then expand Shared Library. This is where Google keeps reusable assets that can be managed in one place and applied consistently, so you don't have to duplicate work across your account. Next, click on Exclusion Lists. This section houses lists of items you don't want associated with your campaigns. From here, go to the Negative Keyword Lists tab. This tab is dedicated to the lists that block unwanted search terms from triggering your ads. Inside this tab, click on the plus icon to add a negative keyword to the list. Type one term per line. Keep your entries clear and specific. If there are common phrases that signal poor intent, such as words related to job seekers, free offers, DIY instructions, or unrelated industries, add them individually. You can use phrase or exact match formats if needed, and you don't need to worry about capitalization. Avoid overly broad negatives that might accidentally block valuable searches. Being too aggressive can limit traffic you actually want. A few quick best practices as you type. Start with obvious disqualifiers that you know don't fit your product or service. Include synonyms and common misspellings of irrelevant terms so you capture variations that could slip through. If your brand name overlaps with another industry or product type, add negatives that remove those unrelated contexts. And remember, negative keywords don't match to close variants in the same way positive keywords do. So add the forms you want to exclude directly. That's the process. You click Tools on the left pane, expanded Shared Library, opened Exclusion Lists, went to the Negative Keyword Lists tab, and used the plus icon to add terms. Keep these lists tidy, review them regularly, and expand them as you learn which searches don't convert. With a thoughtful negative keyword strategy, your budget goes further and your ads show to the right audience more often.